Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of Google Wallet. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you will go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.